All right, folks, today we're looking at 1822 Karl Drive. This is an absolutely gorgeous new construction in Araby, just under 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, offered at $288,500. It's got a great floor plan, luxury finishes, tall ceilings, just everything you'd want out of a new construction. Here's a front bedroom. Check out those tray ceilings. Large closet. Here's a sneak peek at that gorgeous front room. Here is bedroom number 2. Again, nice tray ceilings and a large closet. Here is a full bathroom. I love that tile work in the shower. I think they did a great job with that. Washer dryer. Pull down attic stairs right up here too. Here's our great room. Really accentuated by those tray ceilings. Just makes it look absolutely huge. These are engineered wood floors. Here's our lovely kitchen. Very elevated finishes, all stainless steel. Love the depth that those create. Pot filler. A rare luxury feature for us here. Now we're entering our master suite. Those same great ceilings. Our master bathroom. Again, just exquisite tile work in this building. This is a new construction home that comes with a 10-year home warranty. That new construction home warranty is extremely valuable. I'll put some more details on what that entails down below. I'll show you the backyard. There is potential for you to get extra land with this property. That's the marker right there of where our land ends. So it's 50 feet by 100 feet. There's 100 feet that way, 50 feet to that post over there. This lot directly behind is available. So that could be a great way to turn this into a double lot and have a ton of land. Similarly, these 2 lots over here are available. So by purchasing those, you could end up with a triple lot. Just a lot of different angles you could take this. I thank you for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's Office of Gardner Realtors, showing you 1822 Karl Drive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.